soup, our chicken pepper soup. Now for those of you that are sick, you can take this a lot.
Welcome to Cook with Grace Kiswell.
Sweeties, it's time for us to serve. So sweeties, we're gonna blend. There's it in the middle. Okay. Okay, let's add little water and blend, okay? This seasoning cube, okay? Salt, add our pepper. Yeah, the pepper did not blend well, so we'll still add it that way. And yeah, so it's okay. You can blend or you can chop it. So I personally want it this way, so that is why I'm making it this way. So after that, we'll put our Uzizi seed and add water. So we'll add water. Now make sure you put enough water. Put everything, enough water. You can blend the pepper, but I personally want to chew pepper because I'm not feeling fine. I needed something spicy, so that's why I roughly blend the pepper this way. So you can blend your pepper, okay? You can use red pepper, but for me, this is how I want it. Cover and allow it to cook. Okay, so sweeties, check back. Now this time around, you will taste to adjust, okay? So check our meats. Yeah, that is okay. We don't need any ingredients again. The ingredients is okay. We don't need salt, but if you want, you can adjust, okay? Now this is add our leaf. Cover and light to continue back. So sweeties, our chicken pepper soup is ready. So I'll be adding mint leaf, okay? Sprinkle mint leaf. So add mint leaf and allow it to boil just for a minute, then bring it down, okay? Sweeties, it's time for us to serve. Let's serve our pepper soup. Now you can take this out, okay? First of all, you take this out and serve our pepper soup. You can see the chicken pepper soup. Now for those of you that are sick, you can take this a lot. Yeah, you just okay. You can see the mint leaf, they are still green, so just take it and enjoy. What we are after is the soup, okay? So I have fluid, that's what I make this, and so just enjoy, okay? So this is our chicken pepper soup with mint leaf, okay? So sweeties, enjoy. You can pair it with rice, okay? You can pair it with anything. If you have flu, you're cold, you can just use this. Feel free, okay? I love you. I hope you love the soup too.